Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Kartra landing page, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a countdown timer to your Kartra landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a countdown timer anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by adding a countdown timer, it can help increase conversion. Obviously, it's not going to make or break the landing page, but it can add a little bit more motivation to your users. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a countdown timer to your landing page, you want to click on this button here, Pages, here on the left. Once you click there, you're going to see all of the landing pages you have in Kartra. I just have this one. And once you found the landing page that you want to add the countdown timer to, just click on the three dots here and then click on Edit. Once you click on Edit, go ahead and click on the blue Edit button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show the landing page. You can see this is mine right here. And then in order to add a countdown timer, what you want to do is kind of scroll down to the general area that you want the countdown timer to show up. So for example, if I want it underneath my YouTube video, and then what you're going to do is here on the left, you want to click on Components, these 9 little squares. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this button here called Countdowns. It looks like a little clock. Once you click there, you're going to see all of the countdown timers and the different styles. So it looks like these are kind of the same, except for the words are on the top and the bottom on this one. So just look through and see which one kind of fits with your brand. I kind of like this one right here. It looks like a little bomb. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab it. And all you're going to do is just simply drag it on over to your landing page. And then you see these orange boxes. That's where you can go ahead and drop your countdown timer. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and drop it over my YouTube video. So I'll just hover over it until that box turns green and then just let go. Okay, so now we have a countdown timer in our landing page. Now we want to go ahead and edit it. So you're going to click on here. And once you click on the timer, it's going to show this little pencil icon above. Click there. Okay, so here's where you can go ahead and set up your timer. So countdown ending. What you're going to do is you're going to click here and it's going to have a lot of different options. Okay, this is going to determine what the timer is based off of. So is it based on the landing date? Is it based on a sequence? So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one based on landing date dynamic. All right. So if you want more information on what each one of these means in conjunction with your particular landing page, click on this little question mark. So for example, fixed date, it's going to end at a specific date and time that you choose. This one's based off of an email that was sent out. So just choose whichever one applies to you. And then here you can go ahead and add the timer. So let's say we want to go ahead and end it in 7 days. And then you're going to click on apply. Okay. So now we have our term set up for our countdown timer. And then we also set the ending date right there, but it doesn't actually take effect until you click on actions here on the top and then click on publish live. Okay. Next I get a confirmation saying the page has been published. So now anybody who lands on that particular landing page will see a countdown timer based off of the parameters that we set up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up a countdown timer in your Kartra landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.